So next, let us do what? Let us have a look at the copy function. So I have a, let's say, DICT, or no, not DICT. Let us take DIC. All right, my underscore dict dot copy. So as you can see, all the elements of my underscore dict have been copied in DIC. So this is what the copy function is. Let us have a look at the clear function. Just like we saw it, copy and clear and del in list. The very same works in dictionary as well. All right. So a dot clear. I'm sorry, I cleared a. No worries. Let us लगे हाथ clear my underscore dict dot clear. So वो भी clear कर देते हैं. So as you can see, my dict has also been cleared. Empties the entire dictionary. Empties the entire. So let us do what? Let us simply delete my underscore dict. Alright, my underscore dict. As you can see, it has deleted my underscore dict. Similarly, we'll delete a also. A has also been deleted. So this is what it is. This is how we copy clear using dictionary. Moving ahead further. Alright, we saw looping through dictionary. Alright. So this is what it is. Yes, we saw looping through dictionary. Now what we'll do is that we'll basically, what was I about to say? We'll see how to update items in a dictionary. Okay. So let us start with updating of the entire item in whole. Let's say we have marks. All right. Physics 67, chemistry 77, maths 97, practical 48. All right. So this, always remember. All right. So this is what? This is our dictionary. Now I want to update the entire item as a whole. So how will I do that? So take up, let's say I want to update internal marks. So what I'll take is that take a key internal 40 50 out of 50. Now I want to update marks dot update. All right, marks dot update in parentheses. I'll do what? I'll write this internal. So internal has been added. Multiple dictionary items can be added. Not only one, multiple items can be added as well. So this is what it is, alright. So this is how we update. Remember, multiple items can be added as well. Alright. Let us take at the last function of dictionary. Let us take a look at the last function of the dictionary, which is your dot from keys. Alright. Same number, word, or alphabet. Same number, word, or alphabet. Alright, so this is what it is. So this is what it is. Alright. Moving ahead further. Alright, moving ahead further. So let's just discuss how it will do. So I'll take what? I'll take A. In that I'll take physics, chemistry. Mathematics, है ना? Mathematics, है ना? And next what I'll do is that I'll create B. Alright. Empty empty dictionary dot from keys and write A over here. Empty dictionary dot from keys A. Alright. So this is what it is. So next it will print me what? It is going to print me physics, chemistry, mathematics, and none. Alright. But let us assume that a student has got numbers in physics and maths, physics, chemistry, and maths, and in all the three subjects, he has got all these three subjects, he has got 90 numbers. So it will give me the output as 90. So this is what it is. So now we'll do what we'll take a look at dictionary comprehensions. We'll take a look at dictionary comprehension. So we saw in a list. So this is what we saw in list. But here we are talking about what? Here we are talking about dictionary comprehension. Right, so X. Alright, so this is what it is. For X in range 1, 6. So it will do what? It will give us this. It will give us this. Automate this. Here we wrote it manually. Alright, here it will do what? It will automate this. Alright. So as you can see, it has automated. What will happen? It will read X one by one in range 1 into 1 print over here. Oh, 2 as key, as we have mentioned over here when it comes out of the loop. 2 into 2 4, 3 as key, 3 into 3 9, and so on. Alright, so this is what it is.